In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into Helium 10. Is it the ultimate all-in-one tool for Amazon and Walmart sellers? Or is it just another overhyped software with a hefty price tag? We will break down everything you need to know, from its most powerful features to its biggest drawbacks. Stick around to find out if Helium 10 is the right investment for your e-commerce business. Helium 10 is a super popular software suite made for people who sell things online. Think of it as a treasure chest of tools for Amazon and Walmart sellers. It helps you with almost every part of your business, from finding winning products to sell to getting your product seen by more people. It's like having a secret weapon that your competitors might not know about. Helium 10 uses smart technology, including artificial intelligence, to give you an edge. It helps you understand what customers are searching for, so you can use the right words in your product titles and descriptions. It also helps you keep an eye on your competition, and it can even help you manage your ads and talk to your customers. With over 4 million users, it's a tool that many people trust to grow their business. So, what makes Helium 10 so special? Let's talk about its top features. First up, we have the product research tools. These are like a crystal ball for finding profitable products. Tools like Black Box let you search through millions of products on Amazon. You can set filters to find products that match what you are looking for, things like price, sales, and how much competition there is. It takes the guesswork out of choosing what to sell. You can also use the Chrome extension to see important data as you browse Amazon. It's super handy for quickly checking if a product is a good opportunity. This feature alone can save you hours of research, and it can help you avoid picking a product that nobody wants to buy. It's all about making smart, data-driven decisions from the very start. Next, let's look at the keyword research tools. This is where the real magic happens for getting your products noticed. Keywords are the words people type into Amazon when they are looking for something. If you use the right keywords, your product will show up at the top of research results. Helium 10 has powerful tools like Magnet and Cerebro for this. Magnet helps you find high volume keywords related to your product. Cerebro is extra cool because it lets you spy on your competitors. You can see what keywords they are using to make sales. Then you can use those same keywords for your own products. It's like getting a peek at their secret playbook. This helps you get more eyes on your products and hopefully more sales. Now for the third feature, listing optimization. Having a great product is one thing, but you need to describe it well. This is how you convince people to buy your product. Helium 10 has tools that help you create the perfect product listing. The listing builder uses AI to help you write amazing titles, bullet points, and descriptions. It makes sure you are using all the important keywords you found earlier. There is also a listing analyzer that scores your listing. It tells you how good your listing is and gives you tips on how to make it better. Think of it as having an expert looking over your shoulder. A well-optimized listing can make a huge difference in your sales. It helps you stand out from the crowd and turn shoppers into buyers. They also offer a back-end operations management tools. Running an online business involves a lot of behind-the-scene work. Helium 10 helps you automate some of these boring but important tasks. For example, it has a tool to help you manage your inventory, so you know when you need to order more products. It also has a tool that can help you get money back from Amazon. Sometimes, Amazon makes mistakes with your inventory, and they owe you money. This tool finds those mistakes and helps you get your money back. There's also an email automation tool. It can automatically send emails to your customers to ask for reviews. These tools help you save time and run your business more smoothly. Last but not least, we have the advertising tools. Running ads on Amazon can be a great way to get more sales, but it can also be complicated and expensive if you don't know what you're doing. Helium 10 has a tool called Adtomic that helps you with your ad campaigns. It uses AI to help you create and manage your ads. It can automatically adjust your bids to make sure you're not spending too much. It helps you find the best keywords to target with your ads. The goal is to get the most sales for the lowest cost. Adtomic gives you easy to understand data so you can see how your ads are doing. This helps you make better decisions and get a better return on your ad spend. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to use ads to grow their business. Now, no tool is perfect, and Helium 10 has its downsides. The main disadvantage of Helium 10 is that it can be difficult to learn, especially for people who are new to selling online. There are so many tools and features, it can feel overwhelming at first. You might log in and not know where to start. It takes time and effort to learn how to use all the tools effectively. Some users have also reported that the data is not always 100% accurate. This can be a problem when you are making important business decisions based on that data. Another thing to consider is the cost. While there's a free plan, it's very limited. To get access to the best features, you have to pay for a subscription. Now, let's talk about the price. How much does Helium 10 cost? It has few different plans, so you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. There is a free plan, but it's very limited. The starter plan is at $39 per month. This is a good option for beginners who are just starting out. The most popular plan is the Platinum plan, which is $99 per month. This gives you access to most of the tools and is great for growing businesses. For bigger sellers and agencies, there is the Diamond plan at $279 per month. They also offer a discount if you pay for a whole year at once. So now let's have a quick tutorial and see how Helium 10 works. So first, you need to log into your account. Now here, to search for products to sell, you can go to products and go to discover product opportunities. Now here you will find products to sell, and let's click on black box. So this is going to load a page where you need to fill out. So first here, pick up 3 areas you're familiar with. So let's click on the drop down arrow here and select the products that we want to discover. So for example here, let's click appliance, and maybe we can also try camera and photos and cell phones and accessories. So after that, you can choose the price range. So is it less than $20, $20 to $35, $35 to $50, or over $50? So for this one, let's go with over $50. And here down below, competition, how competitive do you want the niche to be? And this is based on reviews. So here we have easy, it is from 0 to 200, moderate, challenge, and saturated, and this is 1000 and up. So for this one, let's go with moderate. So here, product size. So if you have a smaller item that fits in a shoebox, you can click yes. But if you want to find products that are bigger, you can click no. So for this one, let's go ahead and click yes. And here, monthly revenue. So you need to input your expected monthly revenue. So here, let's just say, for example, let's say 10,000. And after that, you can go ahead and click on search. So after a few seconds, all the listings are going to be displayed here. So these are the products that matches our search criteria. So you can scroll through these lists and have an idea of what product to sell. Next is the keyword research tool. So from your dashboard, let's go to products and go to find keywords to drive traffic. So for this one, let's go ahead and go with discover relevant keywords. And this is going to launch magnet. So let's go ahead and click this one. So here we need to input some keyword. So for example, here let's type cell phone, for example, And here it is going to show you some keywords that you can go with. Now from this one, let's go ahead and click on Get Keywords. So in this page, you will see the data about the keyword. And here you can actually see the analytics and how this keyword is doing in the market. Now here, what you can also do is you can analyze the keywords. So here, go ahead and click on Analyze Keywords. And from this input box, let's go ahead and type cell phone, and it is also going to suggest more keywords for us. So let's go ahead and click these keywords in here and let's add them to our search. All right, so after that here, you can go ahead and click on Analyze Keywords. Now, after that, it is going to show you the analytics of those keywords that we entered. So here you can see the data, and you can use this data to maximize your product's listing and also maximize your profit. Next is building and optimizing your listings. So from your dashboard, go to Products and scroll to Create and Optimize Listings. So from here, let's go to Build and Optimize Listings and click on Listing Builder. So here you will have three options. So you have create from scratch, optimize your listing, and generate images with AI. So for this one, let's go ahead and create from scratch. Let's click on get started. And here you need to identify your marketplace. So let's just use Amazon. And you also have an option to enter an ASIN. So here, since this is just a demo, let's go ahead and click on Start Building. Now here, the first thing that you need to do is to create a list or a bank of keywords for your listings. So here you can find keywords you can add from your list, or you can manually add keywords. So from here, we can try and manually add keywords. So we have the keywords cell phone, and we separate each keyword with a comma. So we can say iPhone, Apple, or Android. So you can input keywords from here. So let's go with these and click on Apply. Now here, those keywords will be saved in our keyword bank. So let's go ahead and click on Next. Now from this one, you can also see the performance of each keyword. So let's go ahead and click on Open Keyword Performance. And from here, you can actually see how each keyword that you input is performing. So we can now close this out. Now here, you can add details to your listings. So from here, you can write contents using your sorted keywords from your bank. So here you can write the product title. So you can type here your target audience and also words and special characters to avoid. So here you can also type in your product title. You can fill out these blanks. We also have the bullet points, the description, and the generic keywords that you can use. And also, you also have subject matter and Amazon posts. So after you fill out these blanks, you can go ahead and click on Finish. So there you have it, our complete review of Helium10. It's a powerful suite of tools that can definitely help you succeed as an online seller. But it's not a magic button. You still need to put in the work. If you're ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level, Helium10 is worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. I hope to see you again next time.